G'day guys, Ninja. We've got Oana on the table here today.
Hey guys.
So we're going to work on Oana in between her shoulder blades. So she's got a bit of a nagging spot in here. So I'm just gonna work on this little region and see if I can discover exactly where her issue is. So I'm gonna start with just a little bit of a exploratory stroke along the spine. So this might not be where the spot is, but I'm just wanting to open things up and work that superficial fascia and kind of mobilize anything a little bit with what the palms can do, the pisiform can do along that spine. So I'm just trying to go into here and tune in and get a sense of what's going on for Oana, and she can tell me when I'm hitting some gold as well. Like, just let me know. Yeah, and yeah, because there's intelligent information that we can tap into, intel, and yeah, you just know when you're receiving treatment what's important, but you can also tell just from receiving treatment what is important as well, and that knowledge of therapeutic pain, that grows the more that you get treatment as well. So it's important to get treatment so that you can be body aware, but also clear things up that are becoming an issue, or before they become an issue, or yeah, treating if it's already got to that point where it's painful and there's restriction, discomfort, you know, lack of range and things like that, lack of function. So now I'm going to probably get into some good stuff in there. What's that feel like in there, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel it.
You feel it? So this is probably bang on one of those really sore spots for Oana where she's been feeling a bit of wind. Yeah, how nice is it to be outside? Yeah, just get sun, fresh air onto your skin, into your eyes, and yeah, it's really healthy for you to get a dose of sunlight, fresh air, grounding. Get your shoes off. You know, when you're on the cement, you can or grass, you know, sand, all those kind of things. The ions can flow back into the earth from the atmosphere. So I feel like just in here there's going to be some good stuff. So
yeah, you're on it.
Just there?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is just explore that I can feel that tendon there. So give it a little wiggle so I can kind of really get a sense of where the middle of that tendon is, and then I'm going to be knowing that I'm going to be hitting the belly, you know, or the main bit. It's not the belly, it's the tendon, but the main part, the root cause type of thing. If I can really hit into it, and then once I can feel like I'm getting to the bottom of that and starting to make some inroads, melting it, then I can sort of change angles just those little bits so I can hit even more of that real stuck tissue like that. So yeah, it feels like I'm starting to melt that tendon quite a bit now. So I'll just keep on it for a bit longer, stay patient, and then I'll be able to, you know, scoop it out, go work right along that line of tension. So now I feel like the body's allowing me to go along this line now. Is that all right, Oana?
Yeah.
Yep.
Very therapeutic.
You can feel it?
Mm.
Yeah. So just trying to go at Oana's pace, not rush.
And it also helps, like if you breathe into it, into that fresh air.
Yeah, breathing. When we breathe out, that's when we're letting go. Our body relaxes when we breathe out. So you can, you know, if you're not relaxed, you can concentrate on outward breath. You know, like a lot of times when we're holding our breaths, we're tight, and it can be an unconscious thing. So, breathing out, you know, taking deep breaths can be really hard for people because they've been in a bit of an anxious or depressed state. So that is a challenge. So when you kind of go through some breath work, things can, be opened up.
Can flow better.
Yeah, flow better, but it can be challenging to do it. So you kind of makes you feel things, you know, feels your emotions, feels different things in your body. there's a little quote or saying or whatever, you got to feel it to heal it. So sometimes you got to enter back into these kind of things, these memories or these stuck parts of your bodies, and if you want to change it, if you're happy being the way you are, then that's cool. Don't worry about doing exercise or trying to improve your habits of eating or whatever it is, or trying to have better relationships where they're not toxic or parasitic to you. So your energy is good. Yeah, right on that one too. I can just sense of that one. Feel good?
Awesome.
Awesome. So where's your next hike, Oana? Let's dig into this. I'll put this under here for you. Where's your next hike? The nude hike. Where's that going to be? You want nude hike, barefoot, nude? What do you think?
It's gonna be just barefoot for now.
Just barefoot for now. That's the bare part of you. Yeah.
Yeah, probably go around this weekend or the following one. Point Abyss near Torquay. Yeah.
Point Alice.
Abyss.
The abyss. Into the abyss. Into the abyss. You'll be off. We might not see you again if you go into the abyss. So how's this feeling? We've kind of made some inroads.
Yeah, it helps. I just feel it like all cleared through there.
Yeah. So what I might do...
I can breathe better.
You can breathe better already?
Yeah.
So what I might do is do another pass through like I did at the start, and then you can kind of have a comparison. So I can kind of try and get that hook into that tendon, just weight on it again. It just feels like softer under my hands, but the real result is what Oana feels. Does it feel less intense? Does it feel softer?
Yeah, it's less intense. Like first time when you did it.
Yeah.
The first part where you placed your pisiform or elbow.
Pisiform, yeah.
Pisiform, yeah. Like I could feel it straight away, and now, it was all good.
Yeah, much better.
Much better.
Yeah. A few flies goes with it. Unfortunately, can't all be good. Is if you want the good stuff, you got to endure some challenges as well. So, and like with walking, like you earn your satisfaction, don't you? The views and things like that. You're kind of going where no one else can get to. Using your own exertion. There's something about that to see the sunrise or the sunset or the mountain view. Going to places where you can't get in by car. It's really, really nice to achieve that.
Yeah, you get the feeling of the landscape better.
Yeah.
Of the world around you.
Yeah.
If you're walking on it.
Yeah, that's it. You can be in awe of nature and in awe of everything, the views, but just the real little things as well, the mosses and things like that, the little bugs and stuff.
Yeah.
That's it. So yeah.
Now they're all thriving because it's spring.
Yeah, we love spring here in Australia. So yeah, it's awesome. But yeah, thanks for supporting our channel. Like, subscribe, share. I think hardly anybody subscribes to our channel that watches these videos. So please just do that. Press the little button. Get notified when we've got new content out. Have a look in our links below. There's plenty of there on offer. If you live in other parts of the world, we've got online courses. We've got calendar. Buy our calendar. Best thing you could possibly do for yourself. See us up on the wall all year. That'd be so cool. And if you want to learn this work as well, we've got online courses. We've got the Fix It Yourself. So yeah, no need to suffer. Find out about our methods, philosophy, and then you can live a better life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Done.